Hey folks, Gecko Guy here. So I have a cubcadet IntelliPower LT42 XT1 whatever, and if you are experiencing issues where it's not starting before you load the parts cannon up, take a look at this. So this is what they're shipping these in with, and these brand new OEM batteries are like $90. That's a Walmart $50 ever start. You just take this little battery tray out. It's just kind of plug and play. So if your mower here is like a year or two old and it's not starting, don't start throwing the parts cannon at it where you think it's your starter, your voltage regulator. Start with something simple like the battery. I hate to say it, but a lot of these riding lawnmower batteries, you only get like 1 to 3 years out of these. The stock one, this 210 CCAs, cold cranking amps, this one's like 340. That's probably on the tail end of acceptable, but this I got maybe 2 years, and then at the end of the season, take it out of your lawnmower, put a little bit of a charge on it, put it in your basement, and then once winter's done, put it on the trickle charger again. Should fire right up. So don't waste $90 on a brand new OEM that's only gonna last you like a year or two. Just go straight to Walmart and get one of these. Walmart Everstart U1 340. Hope that helps everybody. So, kind of like, subscribe, and have fun mowing.